Are you in love, Deanie? Are you in love, Deanie?
Why? Is there anything wrong with me? Why? Is there anything wrong with me?
You always sing a love song in bathroom. You always sing a love song in bathroom.
Oh, just for training. Oh, just for training.
Training for what? Training for what?
I'd like to join a singing contest. What about you? Are you in love with Benny? I'd like to join a singing contest. What about you? Are you in love with Benny?
Yes, I am. I'm in love with him. Yes, I am. I'm in love with him.
Do you really love him? Do you really love him?
Yes, we love each other. Yes, we love each other.
Is love very important? Is love very important?
Yes, it is. Without love you will not be born. Yes, it is. Without love you will not be born.